So Richard, we're stood in front of the Dah Lih DMX-320, but what actually is this machine?
This machine is a popular version of one of our existing normal 3-axis machines that's been modified to make it be very, very efficient for 4+1 machines. So we've got 40 meters rapid in the X-axis and Y-axis, 30 meters in the Z. We've got a spindle power of 25 horsepower, 15,000 RPM, built in with a BBT 40 spindle. So it's a very, very efficient machining, 40 tool magazine, so there's plenty of tools for any customer who wants to work on multi-face machining, which is what this machine is all about.
So if I was going out to buy a 3-axis machine or a full 5-axis machine, why would I buy a 4+1 instead?
Okay, well, that's a good question. The answer to it is it's really an affordable version. A full 5-axis would invariably mean a more expensive type of controller, like a FANUC 31i or a high name control, so again more cost. But the biggest thing is that very few people actually need full 5-axis. What most customers want to do is pick up a part, clamp it once, and machine as many faces in one clamping.
Now, let's move on slightly, because this 320 actually comes quite fully loaded as well.
That's right.
So, what do you actually get with this machine as standard?
Okay, well, as standard, we have a spindle oil cooler, which is built in the rear side of the machine, so it's not floor mounted. We've got through spindle coolant, we've got flood coolant, we've got a programmable air blow, which is the chrome pipe, which you see on the front of the machine. All those features are standard. On the FANUC control side, we've got 400 block look ahead, and we've got a Dah Lih special software which allows us to actually choose whether, when we're doing our machining, whether we want precision or speed. And you can mix up the two. So for instance, you can choose speed for roughing out, so we get the best cycle time, but then we can choose precision for the final machining. And without any intervention of the operator, all done by the program. So it's a very versatile programming system.